To utilize a digital wallet on an Android device, it is essential to note that the most commonly used digital wallet among Android users is Google Wallet. However, in order to make payments with Google Wallet, the device must meet certain software standards. The device must be equipped with Near-Field Communication, or NFC, and this feature must be enabled. Additionally, Google Pay must be set as the default payment app, which can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. Once the app is downloaded, setting it up involves launching the Google Wallet app and adding a card, either by manually entering the card details or by scanning the credit or debit card using the device. If cards have already been added to Google Wallet, they will appear on the home page when the app is opened. Most Android devices will also prompt the user to set up a password to prevent unauthorized payments. By following these steps, using a digital wallet can be a straightforward process.